Seagull ba yan? Ha? Si Mara! Baka mabasa! Seagull ba yan? Seagull? Ha?
Ay! Ay!
Ayos.
Tapos nagtatayo sila dito.
Ang seagull.
Nagbuha na tayo na ano.
Ay, gusto ko mo po.
Okay, buha na tayo.
Ayoko na naglalakad ng nagkakape. Ito may dalang camera. Okay, let's go. Let's walk. Let's walk. Fountain. We're now back in the hotel. Yes, that's Faye. My Faye. My Faye. Hello, Faye. Oh, what do you say? Hello, Lola. Electric fan ng ceiling. Oh, pamaypay. Wow. There's the Christmas tree. The Christmas tree. Yan ang Christmas tree. Atlantic City. Along the boardwalk. We just passed the Trump Tower. We're walking towards the Caesars. This is the Trump Plaza. Mara! 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 Bali. Stainless dentist at saka lawyer. Acquittals in most cases. Here's the parking. Okay, we are now here at Atlantic City Avenue. That's the way to Philadelphia. Malis ka dyan, Faye! That's the way to Philadelphia. Very close, 36. Pag napagod ka, sumakay ka dyan. Rainforest Cafe. A wild place to shop and eat. Yan si Titang. Kasama niya si Mara. Yan. Look at the bridge. There's a building that connects the two buildings. Bridge. Yan si Faye at saka si Athens.
Our restaurants are now open. Budapest, The Continental, Game On, Philip Seafood, Trinity.
Ito entrance. Oh, line up. Line up, madam. Line up. Come here. Come here, madam. Washington yan. That's the Guildhall. Independence Hall. Pila. Ang haba na naman ng pila. Ayoko nang pumila. Marione. Declaration of Independence. Ang huling-huling pumirma si Benjamin Franklin. Yan. Yan ang Independence Day. Yan, kakain kami ng Philly steak, cheese steak. Yan, People of Independence new exhibit. This is Chestnut Street. Ano, dyan tayo kakain? Marami yan sa Market Street, yung mga Liberty Bell. 20 taon, $4.99, okay lang yan. Sige, bili mo ako isa. Diyan ang food court. Food court, kakain na kami. Malapit na kaming maano sa parking namin. 30 minutes na lang. This is South Street. And that is at Jim Steak. Since 1939, ha? Haba ng queue. And look at the other shop, oh. Mosaic ang kanyang ano, motif ng building. South Street, Ford. Asan si Mara? Asan si Mara? Okay lang. Ay, may Mumu dyan. Mumu, kunin na si Mara. Mumu, kunin na. Mumu, kunin na yan. Akyat, akyat. Akyat. Akyat, may Mumu dyan. Wala.